everyone. Today I will be installing the JDL front pipe on my 2022 Subaru BRZ. But first, I have the Type R right now. I just went to a car meet and I met this really nice guy named Jay. And this is Marco. I'm going to be using Marco's shop because he has a lift. Here we are, boys. I got some company at the house. This is Marco. This is Jay. Can I have your name again? Steve. Steve is the one with the GTI over there. At the car meet, it was actually put on by chemical guys. So I got some of this hydro suds, and this is specifically made for cars that are ceramic coated, which is good to know because I have been using this stuff, which is the one wash that they have that you apparently shouldn't use on ceramic coated cars, if I remember correctly. The big thing that I got was the water spot remover, so we're gonna try that out right now because I washed the Type R before I went to the meet and the water spots are crazy. So let's give it a shot. Jay, you said that you have the water spot remover, right?
Yep.
You just like put it on, wipe it off?
No, put a few drops on the towel, like 4 drops in the circle.
I think you gotta take that off.
Well, let's shake it. Did you shake it?
Yeah.
Shake and bake. You know, when you said it, you...
Forget it. See, Marco could do those infomercials, couldn't he? Marco just showed me like 5 extra features that my lawnmower has, and I was telling him he could be the new Billy Mays. 4 drops, he said. They're gooey.
It's very gooey.
They're like gummies.
Bro, that's like $5 right there.
I'm gonna eat them. All right.
Let's do all, because the hood is hot.
Yeah.
Let's work on this panel right here.
Just kind of rub it in.
Yep. Circular motion. Get in there, like massaging that chicken breast with some adobo.
Flip it over and wipe it off.
Oh, now give it like 20 seconds. Let it. How do you say?
Marinate.
Marinate.
We're gonna buy like a home water filtration system.
For the
Water softener.
Yeah, water softener.
Yeah, I got that.
All right, let's try it out.
Now dry it out. Rub it out. Very so lightly. Notice it still looks messy.
Yep.
And that's because next you're gonna spray the quick detailer.
Okay.
Then let's take it off. Look at that, dude.
Wow.
Holy shit.
It's not metallic no more.
Oh wow, dude.
I told you.
Yeah, that's a huge difference.
Huge. Look at that.
Wow. Good stuff. So now I have to do that the whole freaking car tonight.
Yeah.
That's a big
But
difference.
I got a quicker way for you to do it. I'll show you.
Oh, dude, that came out really good. Look,
Well,
look,
thanks for the
look
recommendation.
at the before and then look at the after.
Now, how long
can
is that
see it
going to
right
last
here.
with our crappy water here in Florida?
That's a good question.
See, we should have had Marco do that. I'm going to get you explaining things on video because you're very convincing. You could be a salesman. All right, here we are. It's literally 45 seconds later. Marco disappeared. He came back with this little tool. Of course he had it on him. Why wouldn't he? Nice.
We waited 20 seconds, like you said. Wait, so this one?
That's what I use for the detail.
This one?
Right?
That's the detailer. Oh, okay.
So much faster.
Dude, the difference is day and night.
Yeah,
It's amazing.
for real.
Look at that.
These water spots are just hideous, man.
Yeah.
Cool, dude. All right, boys. Let's rock 'em, sock 'em robots. Oh my God, I just barely cleared that. Dude, Marco is such a nice guy. He was like, he was like literally cleaning up my garage, like tidying up my lawn and stuff like that. Oh yeah, baby. Type R looks so clean. I need that Mugen kit. Dude, this is so cool, man. Gonna be able to use a lift. The Honda? That's yours? Wow. Marco is in the BRZ. Hey, that's a good look on you, Marco. That BRZ.
I got you in.
One day, I will have a lift. My own, like, 2-story garage. Oh, this is beautiful. This is a JDL front pipe. It's only catted. This is going to definitely increase the sound of the car, which is exactly what I'm looking for. Look at these welds too. Those are beautiful. Over here. Gorgeous. Good job, JDL. The very first thing I'm doing is taking off this weather shield right here. Okay, my friends, as you are about to see, I attempted to do the install by myself in my garage. I had the car up on ramps. There was one 14mm bolt that I could not get off. It was the one that's on the left side of the car, connecting the front pipe to the over pipe. Alright, so I cannot get this bolt right here. This is on the left side of the car. In order to make enough room, I'm going to take off the heat shield. I used every tool that I had in my garage. I even made a trip to Lowe's in the middle of the install to get some power tools. I got an impact wrench. That still did not do it. I just need you to get out of the car, bro. I just need you to go away. But you won't. Okay then. There we go. So I tried to do it myself. I failed. And you're about to see what happened after that. Ah! Dude, seriously right now?
That is hot.
Dude, Marco has been on this thing for 45 seconds. You already got all the bolts off?
Yeah, I just want to pull it out.
God damn. Dude, I gotta see what kind of tool you... It's just this bolt that here, so there's two here and there's that one. And then that's gonna slip right in there. Yeah. So I guess we leave the OEM gasket on right there. For this side, the new front pipe actually came with it, so we're good to go. No.
How come I'm holding this one? No problem. Aquí? In between? No, right? No, but where? Just like that?
I guess so, yeah. This will come up a little bit when we screw it together.
Right.
So here's a stock front pipe. That's the cat, and that's like a little resonator, I think. So we're completely going away with the resonator, and it has a smaller high flow cat, which is a little bit smaller. So it's not going to be crazy loud, but definitely a noticeable difference. So we don't feel any leaks, but of course, me being me, I left all the screws for the weather shield in the cup holder. Oh yeah, that was from the heat shield.
Yep. So what about this one? I got two left.
Thank you. It's no Civic Type R, guys.
It was just faster, you know?
Yeah.
Can I pull it out?
Cool. Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, that's nice. That's nice. appreciate that. I didn't expect you to just start going ham on it.
That's quick, man.
It's a really good idea. All right, before I take off, let's take a look at Marco's new project. So we get an EK hatch. You said you got this in Miami for your son? How old is your son now?
13. Almost
13,
14.
okay. We got some pretty cool looking wheels. Those must be painted, right?
Yeah. So look, we got everything from Japan. New bell moldings.
Wow.
Which are those? I'm putting every new CO roof moldings are
Straight
coming.
from Japan. Dude, this is really cool, man. So you already painted this stuff?
Because that's all brand new front end. New fenders,
Wow.
new headlights, new hood, new bumper.
Dude,
So
you
now
do a really good job, man.
So now I gotta strip everything here. Got new bumper, new tail lights, new back glass, new windshield. Pulling the glasses out, doing everything right.
Here we go. First drive with the front pipe on. Oh my God. It already sounds so much better. Oh yes, dude. Dude, this sounds so good. Next up is the AWE Touring exhaust. But for right now, this sounds super good. I'm very happy with it. Oh, that was a nice downshift. Need some exterior clips. That was only 60 miles an hour. All right, here are some downshifts with the windows up. Yeah, you can still kind of hear the engine over the exhaust once it gets like 4,000 RPM. See, I kind of want to wait until a header comes out specifically for the 2022. I really don't want to put many more Gen 1 parts on the car. Marco and Steven were able to get that front pipe on in, I don't even know, it was 15 minutes. So a lot quicker than I would have been able to do it. Let me know in the comments what you guys would like to see for exterior modifications for the BRZ. I already have one, big one, that is going to be coming very, very soon. I think a lot of you are going to like it, but that's all I have for this video. There's going to be a few minutes of bloopers after this, so I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you in a couple days. Yellow! Sorry to spend some time at Lowe's. Got some tools because I am so sick of not having some power tools. So get this, guys. This 3/8 inch compact impact wrench was $179, but it didn't have a charger or a battery. So they had a deal going on this tool. It was $100, so $99. It's a whole extra frickin' tool, and it has a charger and 2 batteries. And then I have this 2x8 piece of wood here. and I had them cut 2 sections of 2 feet worth. And I guess my thinking is I'm gonna put these under the rear wheels of the BRZ. Whether that works or not, or gives me like noticeably more room to work with, I don't know, but we'll find out in a little bit. I'm under the car. Wait, what'd you say?
As soon as you came out here, Cleo went like, meow. And then she went into the office and she was like, meow. Meow. And I was like, Cleo. She was like, meow. And I was like, he's coming back. Meow. So she's sitting outside the door crying for you.